Let's talk about the real business impact of going digital, the actual ROI.
It's a super common problem, but the hidden costs are way bigger than you think.
Think about it. That's valuable time your team could be using for high-impact work.
Yeah, on average, businesses are spending 2 to 3 times more on these manual tasks.
And this really shows the difference between the old way and the smart way.
So what's the fix? Well, it's SFDP. It brings all your daily operations into one system. Let's see how this works. It all starts right at the front door. This gets rid of the paper, giving you 100% transparency and traceable records.
You can even streamline your payroll and always know who's on site.
This makes sure your security protocols are actually being followed, not just talked about.
All these pieces and more are all integrated into one single, easy-to-use platform.
Okay, but what's the real value here? What does this actually do for your business?
SFDP can cut down effort from your admin and security staff by 25 to 35%. That means faster audits, better visibility, and just happier staff and customers all around. I mean, the analysis says it all. This platform literally pays for itself. The key thing is, this isn't a cost. It's an investment that starts paying off immediately. And you only pay for what you need, so the platform can scale right alongside you.
The pricing is super simple and transparent, tailored exactly to what your business needs.
So, what would this kind of efficiency and control really mean for your bottom line? Go ahead and book a consultation to see how you can unlock this kind of value.